Now,
So,
okay, now what's this NAD drip? What am I doing here, and what's the purpose of that?
yeah, so NAD, it's nicotinamine adenine dinucleotide. So that's a mouthful, just saying this, but it's a coenzyme to niacin. And NAD plus is actually something that's utilized in pretty much every enzymatic process within our body, and it works specifically on mitochondrial function. And we all know that the mitochondria is kind of like the powerhouse or the battery of our cells. And so what NAD plus does is it actually helps to kind of revamp the energy on a mitochondrial level. And we hear people talking about mitochondrial fatigue, low energy. This drip, it's a slow drip. I mean, we're doing 500 milligrams. That's roughly about a 2 to 4 hour drip IV, but it's replenishing the stores because as we age, our body is utilizing NAD and it recycles it, but as we age, it doesn't recycle as well. And so it's not able to get back into that Krebs cycle. And we know that we produce ATP through oxygen and through glucose, and it kind of forms this. And I was actually doing some research, Mike. I know, obviously, I'm a huge advocate for ketogenic nutrition, being in ketosis, allowing the body to actually, use fat for fuel. And when they start looking at the different modalities of utilizing ketosis, it's also working specifically on the NAD process within the body, within the brain. And so how this works is there's some very highly metabolic areas within the body. One of them is the brain, the other one is the pancreas. So research is actually showing that NAD plus actually has been used for quite a while. There's a lot of research for breaking addictions. So there's an addiction protocol, but it's also used for anti-aging, for exercise recovery. So there's a lot of different forms. I sent you some research on it as well.
Mm-hmm.
But what we're really trying to do is we're trying to replenish Mike's stores of NAD+. So when we're able to do that, it's refueling his cells, refueling his mitochondria, so it's going to increase his energy levels, give him basically a better sense of vitality, living the best life that he can possibly live. But this is just a portion of his anti-aging protocol that we're actually going through. This is like stage 1, and how are you feeling already? I mean, you've
Oh my
been on
gosh,
this for an hour.
I feel amazing. Like my cognition, like I don't know, I'm just smiling. My energy is like I don't know. I feel alive.
Yeah.
Like I just woke up, had the best night's sleep ever. I don't. That's like yeah, just I don't know. I just feel energized in my my limbs. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's weird.
You kept saying you're like, I feel something here. It's not so much here, but you're like, I keep feeling it through here. I feel it through, and almost it does kind of create almost like a tingling,
Yeah,
'cause it's
yeah. Actually, I feel like my batteries are charged.
yeah.
Like yeah.
And I mean that's the whole purpose of it. And so when we start this, we're starting off with 500 milligrams. The next dosage that you'll be getting here in about a week or so is 1,000. So we increase that. There's different protocols that we can utilize for this. We have it where people can come, day after day.
Right.
Anti-aging, you can come 1 week after the other, but we continually increase that dosage because, again, as we age, our NAD is not being recycled, so it's not being utilized for energy. And so we're working on replenishing that within your body right now.
Nice. And what